Yummy! I love candy.
That's a lot of candy.
I know! I love all of it. Ouch! My tooth hurts.
Huh? What happened?
More candy! This tooth is mine!
Wait, I see something. There is a little hole in your tooth.
A hole?
Hee hee! I love candy! This tooth is my home!
We should visit the dentist. The dentist will help your tooth.
That's a good idea.
Really?
Look, Lily. The clinic is fun and friendly.
It doesn't look scary.
Maybe.
We will go tomorrow.
No!
That was loud.
It's going to be okay.
What if it hurts? What if the dentist is scary?
Ha ha ha! The dentist is coming!
Oh no! Oh no! It's dentist day!
Where are you?
I'm not here.
I was scared too.
You were?
Very scared.
Really?
The dentist helped me. Now my teeth are healthy.
Wow! Maybe I can do it.
You can.
Here we are.
It looks different.
I told you.
Wow! This place is fun!
I told you so.
Welcome, Lily. We are happy to see you.
For me? Look at the animals.
They're brushing their teeth.
Lily,
I'm with you.
I'm with you. It's your turn.
That's the chair?
That's the chair?
Yes, and it's very comfortable.
Look, Lily. This is a magic button. Give it a little press.
Wow!
It is going up. And now it goes down. Open wide. Great job. Great job. Here is the cavity.
It's small.
Yes, and we can fix it. This little spot is the cavity. Candy and germs made it.
Oh, I told you. I told you.
Ha ha! This tooth belongs to me!
This is a mirror. It helps me see your teeth.
That's it?
That's it? This is the tooth vacuum.
It sounds silly.
I think I can do this.
You can. Great job, Lily.
That doesn't hurt.
I told you. You're doing amazing.
Run! Run! No!
Retreat!
That's it?
That's it.
You were so brave!
You were so brave. We're proud of you.
It didn't hurt.
I told you.
I told you. You were very brave. You were very brave. You may choose a prize.
For me? I want this one.
Good choice.
Wow!
Healthy teeth are strong.
Small circles. Brush every tooth.
Like this?
Perfect! Brush in the morning. Brush at night. Every single day.
Floss helps clean between teeth.
I didn't know that.
These foods help your teeth.
I like apples.
Me too.
Too much sugar helps cavities grow. Oh.
I guess I have to go. Goodbye.
Bye.
Congratulations, Lily.
I was brave.
We are proud of you.
You did it.
I'm proud of you.
Really? Really.
Really.
Small circles.
That's right.
My smile is healthy. Take care of your teeth.
See you next time.
Bye.